Hi, Easily. I've got some more new books for you. These are all from our Everybody section, but they all have something to do with like science. So if you're into science, you might like some of these. This is called Old Rock is Not Boring. And it's funny, it's a funny story, but you also learn a lot about earth formation and rocks while reading this book, so check it out. I have this one called Hey Water, which is about all the different ways that water comes into our lives, be it via rain or in a pool or a drinking water. So when you're learning about the water cycle in first grade, you might want to read this one. This is a really beautiful book called Nesting, and if you're into birds, you might want to check this out. It also has really beautiful sketches in it. Also another bird one, but it's also about weather. It's called Numeria and the Hurricane, and it's inspired by what birds actually do when a hurricane comes in. It also has really beautiful pictures to it. So if you're into science, check this one out. This one is by Dave Eggers, which is something that a person your parents might know because he writes books for adults. And it's called Better Natural Things in the World. And it's about all the different biomes. And it's very simple. There's hardly any text. But I was surprised how many different biomes and ecosystems there are in this book that you can see and see the beautiful pictures that go along with it. This is The Girl Who Spoke to the Moon. And it's about really keeping care of the earth and saving the earth and doing what we can to make sure that our planet is healthy. And it's just and it takes place by a girl talking to the moon and how he feels about Earth is being treated. And then I've got one more funny one that's also about science, and it's called Pluto Gets the Call. And several years back, they decided that Pluto technically wasn't really a planet anymore. So it's about what happens when Pluto found out about that. So I hope you enjoy one of those if you're into science.